That was an update. Here.
Amy, it was really a mess, and officers also said it was a location of illegal drug activity and prostitution. But change has come to the property. The latest in this Problem Solver follow-up report. 809 Hamilton Avenue in Panama City, as it looked in mid-October. Last month, when we were on site, code enforcement officers told us about the many code violations here. It was hard to believe there was property like this in the city of Panama City, including the remains of former structures, old vehicles. There was even a school bus stop in front of the address. But the city has moved forward to do what the property owner would not do. And this is how the same property looks now. A dramatic change, no trace of its past. Panama City Code Enforcement tells us this large eyesore was probably the worst that was in plain view. This case began at the end of June and took 5 months start to finish. Looking at the numbers, Panama City Code Enforcement tells us there have been over 1,800 cases this year regarding property violations. This year to date, Code Enforcement has taken 55 cases to a special magistrate hearing for cleanup and demolition. On the plus side, the ratio of compliance by the property owners is 97%. There will be one more hearing for this year, this coming Thursday, November 21st, with 9 cases for cleanup and 3 demolition requests. A hearing is held every 2 months, and there's an average of 10 to 15 cases per visit to the special magistrate. Code enforcement is always open to community input. If you want to report code violations and eyesores, you can contact Panama City Code Enforcement at 872-7209. If you have something for News 13 to check out, let us know about it. Send me an email, jbrown@wmbb.com. You can check this and other stories at wmbb.com. You'll find Problem Solver under Special Reports at the top of the homepage. Stay with us. We're back in a moment.